Hi, welcome to my channel, Hungwana Boss Collective. So today I wanted to start my new series called Be Your Own Resources, or Be Your Own Resources, better what it is. It's a 30-day series where I have a bunch of things I'm going to tell you guys. So this is the completed thing. I'm really excited to show you everything I have planned. So today is day one and we're talking about music. So I'll quickly get on that. And so this is a guide for copyright free music. If you are a new creator or you're interested in becoming a YouTuber or you're an advanced creator and you need to find some new resources, the whole reason and purpose I started the Be Your Own Resource series is because I figured that I would like to be your resource to helping you with everything that you need to start a channel and to maintain it. So I have grown to 250,000 subscribers, and it has been a pleasure to do other videos, fashion and makeup and travel and lots of other content, but my main passion is to help people learn how to start this journey, and I'm really excited for this new chapter. So we have got quite a few to talk about and I'm really excited. So the first one is obviously the YouTube audio library, and I'll have all of these marked with timestamps down below. So the YouTube audio library, it has over 150,000 songs. It has some, like, you have to filter it out if you don't want to put attribution links, but some can go with no attribution links. It's always free. It's 100% free, and I would say it's 10 out of 10. So it is the 10th on my list for one of the best copyright-free music uses. And the one limitation of it is that you can't remix any of the songs. So I'm just got my script here for you guys so I don't forget any important details. So the next one is Pixabay. It has over 40,000 songs and doesn't require attribution links because everything is copyright free there. It is free always, and it is sitting at 9 out of 10. And you can't use, the limitation is no deceptive use to mislead. So probably no clickbait is what they mean. So number 3, creator mix. How many songs does it have? 189 songs. So it's not going to make the top 10 list, but it is another option. There's no attribution links. It's free for now. It's not in my top 10, and there's no limitations. So you can try some of those out. Then there's Upbeat. They have over 1,600 songs. They don't require attribution. There's a free version or a $7 premium version monthly, and they don't sit at the top 10, but there is a limitation of only 1 credit license per song used. So basically you have to purchase a new license for each song. Number 5, TuneTank. There is over 10,000 songs on there. It does require attribution links, and there is a free version and a premium version billed at $33 a month, and they charge annually. They make it to number 8 out of 10, and the limitations is it limits each plan, and there's less limitations for premium. So the next one is number 6, and that's Ben Sounds. It has over 350 songs. It does require attribution links, and it's either $10 for all access or $34 a track. It does not reach a top 10 recommendation, and there is limits on each plan. So number 7 is Motion Array, and there's over 140,000 songs on there. It does require attribution links. It is $37.50 to use for premium. it makes it to number 7 out of 10, and there is no limitations. Number 8, thematic. So thematic has over 1,000 songs. It's creator made, and you do have to put attribution links. There is a free plan and up to $25 a month on a premium plan. It is number 6 out of 10, and if you're using the free plan, the limitation is 5 songs for free per month. Number 9, Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle has 1.8 million songs. It does not require attribution links, and it is $16.50 a month, or you pay per song. It is number 5 out of 10, and there's no limitations. Number 10, Free Music Archive. It has over 100,000 songs. There is attribution required, definitely. It's free always. It's number 4 out of 10, and there is no limitations. No Copyright Songs is a YouTube channel, but they do allow you to use their songs. There's over 1,000 songs, and they do require attribution links. It is free always, and it's not in my top 10, but there isn't any limitations. Number 12, Epidemic Sounds. How many songs? It has over 40,000 songs. Does not require attribution links, but does require you to connect your account. $40 per month for a premium plan. It's number 3 out of 10 for my top 10 recommendations. And sorry about that. Sorry about the yawn. It's number 3 out of 10. And you can't use the songs as lyric videos or videos without like actual, like a person using it. Number 13, Soundstripe. Now this one's one of my favorites. It has over 9,000 songs. There's no attribution required. You do have to connect the account. It is $34 premium, and it is number 2 out of 10 out of my favorites. There is no live. You're not allowed to use it in live content or in sexy content. 14, Artist.io. It has 12,000 songs. It does require attribution. There's a free version and a premium version for $30 a month. It doesn't reach my top 10 recommendations, and there is no limitations of use. For Licked, how many songs does it have? Over 100K songs. There's no attribution, but it's $15 for the license, for the 8-track license, and it is one of the number ones that I recommend. The limitations is that you can only use one license for one song for one video. So every time you want to use, like, let's say you got Born to Be Bad and you want to use it in today's video. Well, if you've used it already, you have to pay for another license to use it for the next video. But they're pretty affordable. Number 16, Storyblocks. How many songs does it have? 20K. Does it require attribution? No. It is $15 to $35 a month. It doesn't reach the top 10 recommendations. There is 5 downloads on the cheaper plans. And then we have 17. It has over 600,000 songs. It does not require attribution links. It is $20 to $50 per license per project. It does not make it into the top 10. And 1 license per 1 video. Yep. The next is SoundCloud. It has 200 million songs. You do have to put attribution links, and it's $10 per month, and there is a free plan. My top 10 recommendations, no, and it's free. So, number 19. Oh, sorry guys. Number 19, Free Play Music. How many songs does it have? 50K. Does it require attribution links? No. Cost to use monthly or 100% free? $250 to $500 per track. So yes, this one is a little bit more expensive. My top 10 recommendations, no, and 1 use per track. Number 20, Beat Pick. It has 11,000 songs. Doesn't require attribution. 100% free. My top 10 recommendations, no. And take 50% out of the channel to track. Yep. So that's not the greatest one. 21 Filmstro. How many songs does it have? It has 1,000 songs. It doesn't require attribution. It's $8 to $41 a month. It doesn't reach the top 10 recommendations, and there isn't any limitations. SoundGator. How many songs does it have? 1,000 songs. There's no attribution links. It's free always, and it does not reach the top 10 either. So there's no modification of songs either for the limitations. Number 23, Hook Sounds. How many songs does it have? 13,500 songs. Does it require attribution links? Yes. Cost to use it monthly, $15 to $50, but there's also a free plan. My top 10 recommendations, no. Limitations of use, if any, 5 channels with premium, 15 with business. And Novo Music has over 100 songs. It requires attribution, 20 to 80 a month. It's not in my top 10, and unlimited use once paid. So, Foxy Music does over 1,000 songs. It doesn't require attribution. It's between $12 and $150 per month, depending what plan you choose. No top 10, and you can't use it in lyric videos. Number 27, Take Tones. How many songs does it have? Over 100. Does it require attribution links? Yes. Cost to use it, 10 free per month, so 10 songs free per month. And $29 for premium. My top 10 recommendations, no. And you cannot copy any of the songs. Number 28, how many songs does it have? Mixed kit, 62, and it doesn't require attribution, 100% free, no top 10, and no remixing. Tune Reel, it has over 6,000 songs, it doesn't require attribution links, cost to use monthly or 100% free, $250 for a lifetime subscription or $100 a year. My top 10 recommendation, no, and there's no hacking. Number 30, Deposit Photos. How many songs? 270 million files. Members don't have to do attribution links. It is $12.99 per month. It does not have my top 10 recommendations and no limitations. Pond 5. It has 1.7 million songs, and it does require attribution links. It's $35 a month for music and $45 for music and effects. My top 10 recommendation, no, and limitation, no. 32. How many songs does it have? 20,000. It does require attribution. It's between $50 and $200 per single use and $13 per track minimum. It doesn't reach my top 10, and there's no limitations. Number 33, Audio Network. How many songs does it have? 190,000. It doesn't require attribution links unless used by TV and radio. Cost to use monthly, 10 to 700. My top 10 recommendations, no. Limitations of use, 1 per project. And then we've got Envato, which has 116,000 songs. No attribution links. It's $15 a month. It has my top 10. It doesn't have my top 10 recommendations, and there's no limitations of use. So as you guys can see, I've been busy researching, and those are my 34 best options for copyright-free music. If you guys know of a different one, and you guys want to give the information, like I've got 5 main questions. So the main questions are, how many songs does it have? Does it require attribution links? Cost to use monthly or 100% free? My top 10 recommendations and limitation of use. So if you guys find something that's maybe in the same class as these or even better, feel free, because there is always new programs and new things happening, feel free to leave that in the comments for other people, because I can just add it to the list. Another thing, an opportunity I wanted to tell you guys about is that I'm going to be putting all of these resources into my Notion template, so that you guys have this guide for copyright-free music. So if you're interested in that, you'll get all of the papers that I do for the Be Your Own Resource, and you'll be able to print them off or keep them on your iPad and look them over and try things out without having to rewatch this video, and without losing all the recommendations that I have said, and yeah, just being able to read it whenever you want to and try out new things and have it on your own device. So if that interests you, let me know. It's also going to be included in my course. After obviously the 30 days is over, I'll be letting you guys know. I'm going to have a little discount on my Notion template and a little discount on my course, and you guys can decide which one you want to buy. And I'm really excited to show you guys what I've all learned over the last 7 years, and I'm just so grateful that you're here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.